Just 1 hour before your JAMB exam, you have prepared, you have read, you have done your own part, you have been following our channel, you have been reading, and you are now left with 1 hour before you enter into the hall to do the main thing. That very exam you have been preparing for months. What do you do? That 1 hour is so important. What you do just few minutes before you step into the JAMB hall is so crucial. It can determine if all the months or all the weeks you spent in preparation will be a waste. Okay, so in this video I'm going to give you just few tips you should apply immediately so that you can score 300 and above in your JAMB exam. Some people mess it up just few minutes before they step into the exam hall. A single mistake they make can cost them their whole preparation. I know people that started preparing for JAMB from the SS2. I also know people that started preparing for JAMB many years back because they wrote the first JAMB, they failed, and they are writing again. Some people are writing for the first time or for the second time. So let me put you through some things. In fact, I don't want you to joke with this. Okay, 1 hour before you step into the JAMB hall, don't ignore this. 1 hour before your exam. Number one is, I expect that 1 hour before your JAMB exam, you should already be in your venue. 1 hour is not when you should. I've taught you, if you have been following our channel, Noble Tutorials, I've taught you that 1 hour you should already be there. In fact, 1 hour 30 minutes is the minimum time I gave you. You should be arrived. Must have arrived, waiting for those writing to finalize their writing before your own time. So 1 hour before the exam, you should be there. No excuses. You should not. Some people will rush 5 minutes before the exam. They will rush in and be sweating like Christmas goats. I need you to plan yourself. That is why I told you, plan yourself a night before. Your transport fare, the materials you are coming with, the transportation logistics. Are you driving by yourself? Is your parent or sibling driving you? Are you using KK? Are you using public transport? Anyone. Plan it ahead of time. So be there 1 hour before time. Of course, it's not that day you should be looking for, I don't know my venue, where is my venue? No, we have passed that stage. Okay, so be there. Be there by all means. 1 hour before your exam, you must have been inside the vicinity. Even if you are not inside the exam hall, you could be hanging around so that once it is time and they call your set to enter, you are there, you are among the first to join them. The second thing is, keep your belongings in safe hands. Of course, the officials will not allow you to enter with your phone. If you can keep it at home, good, keep it at home. If you can't, if you brought it, they won't allow you to enter with any scientific calculator. They won't allow you to enter with your maset. They won't allow you to enter with any book. They won't allow you to enter with a wristwatch. They won't allow you to even enter with a necklace, bangle. Just keep all those things somewhere. Even if you came into the vicinity with it, find that there should be people that you could give it to and pay them a little money so that they can keep it for you. But ensure that your materials are in safe hands. If you came with a car, know where you parked it. If you came with your laptop, just be sure. There are stories of people that lose their belongings everywhere. Those that have written exam this year, this JAMB will tell you. So ensure that your materials are safely kept. Find some, even if you have to give the women around that vicinity 200 naira, or I think they normally collect 200, or maybe because of the economy maybe up to 300. Just give them and ensure your materials are safe. Then the third thing, this one is so crucial. Some people will write for 3 minutes and start looking for where to urinate. You know yourself, you know your body system, right? Study yourself. Force yourself to urinate or use the restroom, even if you have to defecate or anyone. Force yourself. Ensure you use the restroom 1 hour before you step into the exam hall, because once you enter the exam hall, you will be there for at least 120 minutes. That is at least 2 hours. So there is no going back. You can't write and say, sir, let me urinate. No, sir, let me take water. No, sir, let me take my medicine. No. Once you enter and they're on your system, you start reading. So you don't have 5 minutes to waste. You don't have 5 minutes, you don't have 5 seconds to waste in the exam hall. So use the restroom. Please go use the restroom. There should be a restroom around. Find it, use it. Anywhere, defecate, urinate. Just make sure your system is empty. Nothing will distract you. Then the next thing for you to do is ensure you enter into the exam hall. Don't forget, some people make silly mistakes. Don't enter the exam hall without your JAMB slip, that reprinted slip. When you did your reprinting, it carries your exam number, reg number, phone number, email address, your picture, your subjects. It confirms the venue and at the time, everything. So, and I have also encouraged you to photocopy it. Be with the original and also have a photocopy. What did I say? Be with the original and also have a photocopy. Have an original and also have a photocopy. It shouldn't, photocopying, even if you have to photocopy it at the venue, it shouldn't cost you much. It could take like 15 naira or 100 naira. Okay, before in our own time it was 10 naira. I think 5 naira self. Then when I wrote my own JAMB. Okay, then also that final minute, that final moment before you step into the hall, use it and say a word of prayer. I have always encouraged us in this channel that prayer works. I believe all of you. I believe that God is by your side. I want you to claim it in the comment section. I believe that this is the year you will enter the hall, write, smash JAMB, score 300 and above, enter school. Nothing will stop you. I want you to claim. In fact, I want you to shout the loudest amen. Nothing will stop you. Nothing will make you to repeat your JAMB. This is the final bus stop. You will write and pass. You will write and succeed. Even when others cry that, even if the letter says that more than 1 million failed JAMB, your name will not be there. Claim it, claim it, claim it. Believe it, speak it to yourself. Whether you're a Christian, whether you're a Muslim, no matter your religion, believe that the divine help, divine supply is by your side. And nothing will make you fail. I don't know if somebody is believing this. I don't know if you are claiming it. So nothing, all your effort will not be in vain. All the money you spent will not be in vain. All the reading, all the lessons you went to, all your study, all your sleepless night, all the data you spent watching videos, solving questions, consulting people, it will not be in vain. Can I hear an amen? Then believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that nothing will stop you. Let nothing make you afraid. My dear, nothing should make you afraid. So long as you are writing this JAMB and you are watching this video, so long as you have been preparing, you have been following our channel, believe it, believe it, believe it. As I believe in you, believe in yourself. You are among those that will succeed this year. Nothing will stop you. I don't know if somebody believes this. Have you benefited from this video? Remember that to be there, urinate and pray. That time is not the time to cram. There's this video that we do, how to be smart and coded inside the exam hall. I will still give you that video. If you need it, let me know. And 3 things you should do inside the hall, I will also give it to you. So believe in yourself. Walk into the exam hall as a conqueror. As even if others have told you are not intelligent, it is not your portion. And this is not the time to cram or start reading new topics. Just comport yourself and enter the JAMB hall. If you have not become a full member of our channel, be a full member now. Ask me for the link and I will send it to you, so that if you want to talk to me directly, you want to ask me any question, you are confused in any way, you want I and my team to be guiding you, you have to be a full member. How do you become a full member? You become a full member when you join our YouTube channel. Just click on join and join. Then share this video, like this video and subscribe. Share this video, like this video and subscribe. Once you subscribe, let me know that you have subscribed in the comment section. Do you want me to give you access to all the videos we've done on chemistry, physics, biology, economics? We have done use of English. We have done several videos. Any one of them that you need, just let me know. It will help you in your passing of your JAMB. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.